Sail through English, mastering idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and use of the phrase, sail through. So, get ready to set sail on a journey of linguistic discovery. The phrase, sail through, is an idiom that means to complete something very easily, especially a test or challenge. Imagine a ship sailing smoothly on calm waters, with no obstacles or difficulties. That's exactly the kind of ease we're talking about. Where does this phrase come from? Sail through takes its imagery from the nautical world. It evokes the picture of a ship sailing smoothly without hindrance, much like when you effortlessly succeed at a task. Let's put sail through into action. Here are a few examples. Jane was worried about her exams, but she sailed through with top grades. Despite the tight deadline, our team sailed through the project. Beware of confusing sail through with literally sailing. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression. So, saying, he sailed through the river, wouldn't be correct unless he actually did it with ease and in the context of overcoming a challenge. Try to use sail through in your own sentences. It's a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and to add flair to your English conversations. I hope this explanation helps you sail through your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how these idiomatic expressions can spice up your language skills. Until next time, happy learning!